Dashboards are your launchpad for all your most needed items. Let's take a tour around the different dashboards so you can make the most of their useful features. On the left side, you have your global navigation menu. In this menu, you can access your MyCast&Crew dashboard, as well as your projects dashboard to see the list of projects you have access to. Above are your notifications. These notifications are global across any project you are working on. Keeping an eye on these will help you stay up to date on any items that need your attention. Clicking on your name will take you to your profile settings where you can make updates to your personal information in the Cast&Crew system. The question mark icon is your In-Product Help menu. From this menu, you can search for Help Center articles, contact support, see what's new, and access both on-demand and live training resources. In the main portion of the screen, you'll find interactive widgets that provide quick insights and data at a glance. Depending on which dashboard you are on, the information will vary. If you are on your MyCast&Crew personal dashboard, you'll see data across all projects. If you open a single project, you will see data only for the project you selected. Additionally, the data available to you will vary depending on your payroll provider, role, and how long you've been in the system. For example, if you haven't created any Hours Plus time cards yet, or don't use Hours Plus, you'll see an empty state message in the Recent Time Card section. Likewise, if you're paid through media services, you won't see any data under Recent Time Cards or Recent Pay Stubs, and an empty state message will be shown instead. Let's see what's available on your MyCast&Crew dashboard. The Recent Time Card section allows you to view your recent time cards and their status for the projects you're working on. You can also create a new time card for your project directly from here using the Create button. The Recent Pay Stub section shows your most recent pay stubs from Cast&Crew or CAPS across all projects. By default, the amounts are hidden. To view the amounts, you can use the toggle to show or hide them as needed. Your tasks are actions you can take to ensure that your account is fully set up and optimized. The Recent Offers section shows pending and approved offers you have recently completed. You can take action on any offers that are ready for you here. Your year-to-date pay will appear here after you receive your first paycheck from either Cast&Crew or CAPS. If you've been paid both by Cast&Crew and CAPS, the amounts will be shown separately for each payroll entity. It's important to note that the pay stubs and year-to-date amounts displayed on the dashboard will only reflect activity up to the previous day. For today's pay stub and the most current data, you can view them in their respective tabs. Below this section, you'll find a list of frequently asked questions along with their answers, and you'll also have the option to get in touch with Cast&Crew for additional assistance if needed. Now, let's scroll back to the top of the screen and go over the tabs that you have access to. Profile is where you can make updates to your personal information. Direct deposit allows you to set up and manage the direct deposit information in your account for both personal and loan-out entities if you have one. Files will only show if you have accepted a Star Plus offer. Here you can upload and store a collection of documents and files that you'll be using on current and future projects. Though you won't be able to select these documents to use on your time card, it can be helpful to return here when you're not sure what document to use. You can also view your completed Star Plus offer packets here. Pay Stubs is where you can view all pay stubs paid through Cast&Crew, CAPS, and media services. Tax Documents is where you'll view and download your W-2s. If you're being paid as a loan-out employee, you can add the loan-out information under the Loan-Out tab. W-4s is where you can easily create a federal and state W-4. And if you need extra assistance, click the Support tab. To open a specific project, use the Projects dashboard and click Go to Project. You'll see the dedicated project dashboard that shows the time cards, pay stubs, and offers specifically for the project you selected. It will also open up a new Project Workspace menu, allowing you to quickly access your offers and time cards for the specific project. Opening a single project lets you stay focused on completing any items that need your attention for that specific project. While you can get the same information via the MyCast&Crew dashboard, using a Project Workspace clears the clutter of multiple sources of information to keep you focused on your current project. Plus, the system will remember the last page you visited within the Project Workspace, making it easy to return to what you were working on before. These dashboards help surface the most important information so you can stay up to date and focus on the main goal, putting on the show.